me to find contentment in simplicity. At yung mabuhay ng simple ay tumutulong sa akin para makapag-focus sa mga tunay na mahalagang bagay sa mundo. Well, this is me, Sasuka.
So, ayan guys, it's weekend again and continue natin yung pagde-develop ng ating little garden. So, para kahit maliit lang yung lupa natin, pwede pa rin tayong magtanim ng mga prutas at gulay. So, for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng fertilizer, which is very easy lang gawin for the acidic soil. So, ayan guys, yung lupa namin kasi dito is medyo medyo acidic. So, ang gagawin natin is, gagamitan natin ng baking soda para ma-neutralize natin yung acidity at basicity ng ating lupa para hindi siya maging ganon ka-acidic. So, ayun guys, basically may mga okra kami kahit medyo acidic yung soil, nagawa naman ng paraan para makapagtanim kami ng okra. So, para maano natin yung basicity or yung alkalinity ng soil, gagamit lang ako ngayon ng baking soda. Tapos, i-ano lang natin sa water at magkakaroon tayo ng baking soda solution and then i-drop lang natin dito or sprinkle lang natin yung baking soda solution sa lupa para ma-balance yung acidity at saka basicity ng ating soil. And eventually sana ay tataba yung mga tanim natin. At dadami yung mga yung vegetables. Dadami yung mga prutas, kung may mga fruits din kayo at vegetables, makakatulong din yung baking soda solution para dadami yung yung bunga niya. So, ayan. And gawin lang natin yung solution. So, i-sprinkle lang natin itong baking soda solution sa ating soil.
I also don't forget to investing time with my parents. And this strengthens the emotional bonds between us. It provides comfort, companionship, and reassurance. As they age, they may experience feelings of loneliness or isolation. At yung presence natin at yung engagement natin ay sigurado akong mapapasaya natin sila.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide. Whenever you need me.
So ayan, so ito yung gagawin natin for today. So I'm gonna sew this one. So paiksiin ko siya kasi medyo mahaba siya for me. Ayan. So ito yung aking pattern. So ganito lang siya kahaba. Ayan. So lalagay lang natin dito para makat natin siya. By appreciating the beauty of nature and aligning my life with its rhythms, I free myself from the pressures of societal expectations and materialism.
Ayan guys, I like the comfortability of using this pajama. Napaka-fresh and comfortable talaga gumalaw.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you.
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.